today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left here, you're looking at one of our brand new one-hole Chinese wok range. Okay, this is going to be a one-hole Chinese wok range. Now I'm going to go ahead and start off by giving you the overall measurements. Okay, we'll start off by giving you the length. You're looking at 18 inches of the length by 23 inches depth. Overall height, you're looking at about 31 inches. Okay, the legs are removable, so you do have the legs as well that you will be provided with. They are removable. Also, I'm going to give you the size of the hole right here. What you're looking at is 13 inches. So it's a 13-inch hole Chinese wok, 18 jet burner. You also have a user manual, so if you have any questions on how to use it, all the information is on the manual. Okay, your pieces that will be provided as well. Natural gas. On the side of the unit, you have certification. The unit is certified by the health department. You have specs on this unit on those stickers. You also have a waste tray right here in the front. Obviously, you adjust it for the fire, for your fire level. And on the back, we have a connection for the natural gas. Okay, so this is a one-hole Chinese wok, 13-inch. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepotusa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this unit. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out. Thanks for watching.